Are you tired of manually dusting out your gadgets, but don't know where to look for help? Do you get fed up of dust and debris buildup on laptops and keyboards? If this is a problem, you should watch this video till the end. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best cordless air dusters available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. The fifth product on our list is the Alpha Electric Cordless Air Duster. The 36,000 RPM motor provides ultra-strong airflow for deep cleaning of microscopic dust. It features 2 airflow modes to fit for different devices, cleaning ranging from the computer, camera lens, PS5, laptop, air conditioners, sofa, printed circuit boards to electronic instruments, medical devices, and more. The 15,000 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries allow the electronic air duster to work for 50 minutes continuously on one charge. 10-watt Type-C charging port makes the duster more convenient to charge. It comes with a standard and a brush nozzle, which can be used in different places, making a thorough cleaning. It is designed with a flashlight to facilitate your cleaning in dark places or at night. Up next, in 4th place, is the Kuni Cordless Air Duster. This cordless air duster produces an incredible blast of air at over 33,000 RPM and runs for over 30 minutes straight. It blows away all prior units. It is great for cleaning large computers, server rooms, camera lenses and mirrors, high-end medical equipment, displays in retail stores, complex circuit boards, and so much more. It weighs only 405 grams. No matter how long you use it, you will not feel tired. Removable nozzle makes the product easier to store and carry. This air duster is rechargeable just like your cell phone. It features 10-watt fast charging. It has manual and automatic modes. The third product on our list is the Rafta Oppler Cordless Air Duster. This cordless air duster also produces an incredible blast of air at over 33,000 RPM. 10-watt fast charge along with 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery make this new generation duster keep a 30 minutes long run. The thin and long nozzle makes it easier to clean corners or places where the hand cannot reach. The nozzle is removable for better space utilization. It is perfect for keyboards, computer cases, car seats, or even your Lego toys. The scientific ergonomic design makes it super easy to use, and you will no longer hold a cold can when blowing things away. Still haven't found a cordless air duster that meets your need? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The second product on our list is the Winkle Rechargeable Air Duster. This air duster has a 33,000 RPM motor with an aerodynamically designed housing that produces a powerful blast of air at almost 10 levels strong gale for deep cleaning of computers, electronic instruments, medical devices, and more electronic components. The built-in large 6,000 mAh lithium batteries make the duster reusable and work nearly 30 minutes after a full charge. Its compatibility of getting charged via the USB port makes it perfect for uninterrupted use. The air duster is structured with a full palm gripping design that makes it comfortable to hold. This air duster is highly environment-friendly and energy-saving, as it's tested for 5,000 times or so of use without gas and water. It is a great alternative to air cans. Finally, our top cordless air duster is the FMAT Cordless Air Duster. Its motor allows the maximum rotating speed to reach up to 33,000 RPM. FMAT Air Duster is proud of its capacity to produce a powerful thrust of air at almost 10 levels strong gale For deep cleanings of the microscopic dust, such as printed circuit boards to computers, electronic instruments, medical devices, which cannot be cleaned by your traditional wiper or duster. This cordless air duster is the best alternative to compressed air. It is environment-friendly and energy-efficient. The built-in large 6,000 mAh lithium batteries allow this duster to run nearly 30 minutes continuously. Its compatibility with getting charged via the USB port makes it so easy to charge. The air duster is structured with an extended full palm gripping design and withdrawable nozzle, keeping the handhold clear to let users grip it at their comfort. We hope you found this list helpful and that it helped you pick the best cordless air duster for your needs. If not, feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or concerns about our guide.